everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihanascuisines. Today we're going to be talking about bottled gourd. In fact, I was going to do a recipe for it, and I thought, well, why not first tell you what it is, because I think a lot of people don't know what it is. So it's a vegetable, and before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that if you have subscribed, thank you so much, and if you haven't, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. There is a bell over here that by the subscribe button. Click on the bell so you can get all notifications for videos that are uploaded. I upload twice a week now, Wednesdays and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what a bottle gourd looks like. Now these can grow this big, or they can grow really huge. So when you go to the grocery, or you won't find it in a regular grocery store, but you will find it like in either a Chinese store, Asian store, Indian store, and ask for bottle gourd, or what in Indian it's called Lauki. Or Doodhi. In Gujarati we also call it Doodhi. So this is what it looks like. Again, it can grow really, really big. So you'll find different sizes. I like buying the baby ones just because I find that the flesh is really nice. It's sweeter, it's not very bitter. So this is what it looks like. Now, I will cut into it just to show you. When you're preparing it, you want to peel the skin off, and you can juice this. It's very, very good if you drink like a glass of fresh. Just peel it, cut it in small pieces, throw it in your blender, and just drink the juice of it. It's very beneficial to health. So basically, 1 cup of bottle gourd has about 15 calories and 1 gram of fat. It's got 96% of water content, so it's very low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and it's very, very high in dietary fiber. The other things that it also has, it's got vitamin B, vitamin C, it's got sodium, it's got iron, it's got riboflavin, zinc, thiamine, iron, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. And I say these all because sometimes, sometimes I lack potassium, so I look for foods that will have potassium instead of just having potassium pills or whatever. I will actually incorporate that in my diet and have the natural potassium that's derived from different fruits and vegetables. This vegetable is very, very good for people who have diabetes. It reduces blood sugar levels, and if diabetics make the juice and they drink a glass of it, it is very, very beneficial for people with diabetes. Now, it also helps with, like I said, diabetes. It helps with people with constipation because it's very high in fiber. It helps with piles, or what is known as hemorrhoids. It reduces high blood pressure. It aids in weight loss. Helps with dehydration. Treats urinary tract problems. It helps with insomnia. Can you imagine that? It helps with insomnia. It reduces inflammation of the liver. It's great for the skin, and if you have a lot of pimples on your skin, this juice making the juice of it will also clear a lot of pimples out. So this was just a little bit of what I wanted to mention and just tell you, because I am on my way of making a bottle gourd curry today, and if I have time, I will also be making a dessert with this, but we'll see with how time is. If you want, you can search up for those recipes. So basically, like I said, this is how we're gonna cut it. There's nothing really inside, and then you just kind of want to peel the skin out just like that, and I'll cut them in small pieces. And this is what a bottle gourd looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihanascuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Please share my videos so that we can share our love of cooking with everybody else. And remember that I upload every Wednesdays and Fridays. I do a lot of Instapot recipes now and air fryer recipes. Instapot recipes will be coming out in 2019, but I have started my air fryer recipes. So go ahead and check out my channel if you haven't done so, and please hit that like button so it helps me with the YouTube algorithm.